Good morning, children. After the explanation of the poem, Unit 8, I am the music man. I am the music man. We had learned over here about a small boy who is telling that I am the music man and what he plays, and he is asking what we can play. In the first, he said he can play piano, and the next, he said I can play drum. So we'll do now the exercise. We are going to do the exercise. Now over here you can see it is a girl who is playing a piano. See, you can see this is called piano and a small girl is playing a piano. Now we are going to do with the exercise. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. What are the two instruments that the music man can play? Over here we have to name the two instruments that the music man can play. So it was what first? It was a piano, and what was the other? It was a drum. So what you will write in the sentence? The two instruments that the music man played was piano and drum. Piano and drum. Where does the music man come from? Where does the music man come from? What he said, from where he is coming from far away. So the music man came from far away. The music man came from far away. So from where did the music man came? The music man come from far away. The music man come from far away. Now we'll go to the another exercise. Make sentences using words from the table. Make sentences from the words using from the table. For example, also it is given, children. A farmer. See over here you can see it is written a farmer. Acts, flies, plays, wears, sings, repairs, work. Then songs in the field, a uniform, lights, music, a plane, in films. So what does a farmer does? A farmer works in a field. So we have to write over here, a farmer works in a field. A farmer works in the field. See over here it is, the answer is also given. The farmer works in the field. Over here it is. So now we'll go to the next one. A soldier. What is this? A soldier. It was an example of farmer. Now a soldier, will write a soldier. From the question only it is there. A soldier wears, wears, wears a uniform. A uniform. A soldier wears a uniform. Then a singer. What does a singer do? So a singer sings song. S-I-N-G-S, sings, S-O-N-G-S, songs. Sings song. An electrician repairs light. What does electrician do? Repairs light. So you will write an electrician, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N. An electrician repairs light. What does electrician do? It repairs lights. So you have to write here in the space given over here. Then a pilot. What does a pilot do? So a pilot flies a plane. So you will write a pilot flies a plane. P-L-A-N-E, plane. Then an actor. What does actor do? An actor acts in a film. Acts in a film. So you'll write an actor acts in films. What does it do? It acts in films. A musician. What does a musician do? A musician plays music. What does it does? It plays music. So a musician plays music. Plays music. So once again we will read, children. A farmer works in the field. A soldier wears a uniform. A singer sings songs. An electrician repairs. What does electrician do? Repairs light. A pilot flies a plane. An actor acts in films. A musician, what you will say? A musician plays music. A musician plays music. So children, this exercise you have to write in the space which is given over here. You have to make sentence and you have to make sentence and write in the space given below. Now next, how many musical instruments can you find in the maze? Now this is a maze. You have to find the musical instrument. Come on, who will help me out in this? Yes, children. Okay, we'll start. The first one is what? Iktara. So I-K-T-A-R-A. This is Iktara. What is this called? Instrument Iktara. This is an Iktara. Then the next one is what? Piano. So P-I-A-N-O. This is piano. What is this? This is piano. Then sitar. S-I-T-A-R. Sitar. S-I-T-A-R. Sitar. S-I-T-A-R. Sitar. S-I-T-A-R. Sitar. Then the next is what? Drum. So D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Then flute. F-L-U-T-E. Flute. F-L-U-T-E. Flute. So like that we have found all the musical instruments. This is drum, flute, piano, iktara. Then what is this? Sitar. And what else it is there? And flute also. And drum also we have found out. Right? So this puzzle is over. Children, did you follow? Like this we learned the musical instrument names also. You came to know the names of the musical instruments. Now I'll go to the next page. Change these words from singular to plural. Change these words from singular to plural. Now here you can see B-E-N-C-H, bench. It is talking about a single bench, but we have to make it plural. So what will you write? B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. Brush. So B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. See, in the last S and H is there. So what will you do? After H you will write ES. What you are going to write? ES. So one bench and many benches. Glass, glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Box, boxes. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Bus, buses. B-U-S-E-S, buses. Then tomatoes. So T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. Deer. D-E-E-R, deer. S-H-I-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. It will be the same only. Sheep ka it will be sheep only. Then tooth. So it will be teeth. What it will be? T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Then goose. So it will be geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Woman. So it will be woman. W-O-M-E-N, woman. Mouse. Mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Ox. It will be oxen. Child. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Man. It will be man. And class, C-L-A-S-S-E-S, classes. So like this way we have learned the singular of bench into plural benches. So once again we will do the exercise. Bench, benches, brush, brushes, glass, glasses. In these three, what we have to add in the last? ES, because CH, SH and ESS come. So CH will come. Then box, so ES only will come. It will be boxes. Bus, ES, buses. Tomato, tomatoes. So the plural of tomato is tomatoes. After O will add ES. Deer will remain the same, plural also deer, singular also deer. Sheep, sheep also singular, sheep also plural. Tooth, it will be teeth, TEETH, teeth. Goose ka plural is GEESE, geese. Woman, so it will be plural, woman. Mouse, so it will be mice. Ox, oxen. Child, children, child, children. And last is what? Class, it is classes, class, classes. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Complete this exercise in your English textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.